Hello and welcome to this episode of Daiji Global Pan Vision, and I'm Shiboni Pais.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
Here's what we have in our local news. Mamata Salian gets selected for national throwball team. Scarcity of funds makes her trip to Singapore doubtful. Afghan delegation visits Iraq, studies sanitation and community participation. Mangaloreans get a taste of multicultural cuisines at Zyka 2008. And in the entertainment bash, we have a Sri Lankan number from the Konkan Shahs held in Dubai, a Hindi song from the Maxim Pereira's Boom Boom live show, and a song by Lorna from the Mega Konkani concert.
Apurva for Atlan.
News in detail. A girl from our neighborhood, Tenka Yedepadau near Padubidri, has brought laurels not only to her village but also to the state. Mamata Salian, a physical trainer at Purna Prajna Education Center at Bhadravati, has been selected for the national throwball team to play at the Asian Throwball Championship scheduled to be held next month in Singapore. But despite of scaling new heights in her life, like other sportsmen of India, it is the lack of financial support which has made her trip to Singapore doubtful. We now bring an exclusive interview with Mamata Salian. Mamata Salian, who is in her early 20s, born and brought up in a remote village of Tenka Yedepadau in Udupi, with her sheer willpower has scaled a new height. Her dream of playing for the country has come true. Recently, a felicitation program was held at Kapu, where everyone praised her for her hard work and dedication to make it to the Asian Throwball Championship.
ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಮಾಡೋರು ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಂತ ತರಬೇತಿಯಿಂದಲೇ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಮಂಡಲ ಯುವತಿ ಮಂಡಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆಟ ಆಡಿ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಹಲವಾರು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಥ್ರೋಬಾಲ್ ಒಂದೇ ಗೇಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಲಿಬಾಲ್ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೇಮ್ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಗೇಮಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಟೀಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಲು ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ನನಗೆ.
No doubt she has made her community and the whole of Karnataka proud by finding a place for herself in the national throwball team. But the hard reality is that she is running short of money to bear her expenses. If she fails to collect sufficient funds, she may not be able to participate in the Asian Championship, all set to be held in Singapore in the next month. Sharing her experiences with TV Daijiworld, Mamata, who hails from one of the strong communities of South Canada, Mogavir community, said that she is happy that her hard work has paid off.
ಮೊದಲು ಥ್ರೋಬಾಲ್ ಆಟವನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಒಂದು 7ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿರುವಾಗ ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿರ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಎರ್ಮಾಳು ತೆಂಕ ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಯುವತಿ ಮಂಡಲ ಒಂದು ಟೀಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ನಾವು ಒಂದು 10-15 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಈಗ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನೇ ಗಳಿಸಿರ್ತೇನೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಡೀ ಉಡುಪಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಗೆ ಎರ್ಮಾಳು ತೆಂಕ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿಯಾದ ತಂಡ. ನಮ್ಮ ಇವರ ಅಪ್ಪಿ ಸಾಲಿಯನ್ ಇವರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸತತವಾಗಿ 15 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಈ ಥ್ರೋಬಾಲ್ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ಶಿಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನೇ ಗಳಿಸಿರ್ತೇವೆ.
Mamata is skeptical of a Singapore trip as she has already missed plenty of opportunities to represent India at the international tourneys.
ಭದ್ರಾವತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞಾ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ದೈಹಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯಾಗಿ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಥ್ರೋಬಾಲಿಗೆ ತೀರ್ಪುಗಾರರಾಗಿ ಬೇರೆ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬೇರೆ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಥ್ರೋಬಾಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಆಗ ನಮಗೆ ಈಗ ಈ ಥ್ರೋಬಾಲ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯ ನಮ್ಮ ತರಬೇತುದಾರರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ನರಸಿಂಹಯ್ಯ ಇವರ ನಾನು ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ತಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಕೇರಳ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಥ್ರೋಬಾಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸೆಮಿಫೈನಲಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಾಜಯ ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆದರೂ ನಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಟೀಮಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಆಟ ಆಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನನಗೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಗಾಪುರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಲಿರುವ ಏಷ್ಯನ್ ಥ್ರೋಬಾಲ್ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ಶಿಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತ ತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೇನೆ.
What has to be noted here is that Mamata Salian is the only player from Karnataka selected for the coming Asian Throwball Championship. Getting a place in the national team is not an easy task, and it is the duty of all Indians to support Mamata. For those of you who would like to help her bank details are Mamata Salian, SP account number 11259, Canara Bank, Ermal Branch, Udpi Taluk. When the whole world is worried about global warming, a remote village in Bantwal Taluk has become a model to the rest of the world by becoming a plastic-free and clean village. Cleanliness is the buzzword here. After receiving a 20-member UNICEF team and playing host to a Kerala team, on Monday, February 11th, the villagers had guests from Afghanistan who visited this model village to take a clue from it. We have a special report on this. Ira is not just like any other village of India. It is totally clean and plastic-free. Interestingly, Dakshina Kannada's this remote village has grabbed the attention of other countries too. On Monday, February 11th, the villagers of Ira had some special guests. A 9-member delegation from Afghanistan came calling to Ira to study the developmental works, including the sanitation projects taken up by the village panchayat and the community participation. Ira, a village of 1,231 families, lies in the outskirts of the city near Mangalore University. Its first step towards becoming a model village started with the successful implementation of Centre's Sampurna Swachhata Andolana, or the Total Sanitation Project. Apna Desh, a self-help movement, a brainchild of the former Deputy Commissioner of Dakshina Kannada Bharat Lal Meena, brought out revolutionary changes in the village. Social workers and Apna Desh volunteers Krishna Mulya and Sheena Shetty worked hard to educate the villagers on the need for keeping the village clean and on the importance of having toilets at home. Today, even a toddler in the village knows how harmful plastic is. And even the special guests from Afghanistan were astonished to see the awareness spread among the villagers here. The delegation visited Grama Panchayat office, schools, Anganawadis, houses and interacted with the Grama Panchayat members, students and villagers. They collected details on how the Grama Panchayat functions. When the members of the Afghan delegation asked students what message they would like to give Afghanistan, pat came the answer, a clean Afghanistan. ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆಯೇ ಸ್ವಾಭಿಮಾನಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ತಲೆಗೊಂದು ಮುಂಡಾಸು The delegates also visited the plastic mountain in the village. All the plastic waste in the village is kept in this mountain. Contractors from Bangalore buy this and use the same in preparing better grade bitumen there. The delegation from Afghanistan included the members of the Water and Sanitation Ministry. Speaking to TV Daijiworld, one of the delegates expressed his happiness over the developmental works taken up by the village panchayat.
Seeing to the project of hygiene and the water supply and sanitation, that you want to learn from the people of Great India. But as I observe your village, it is very good and very clean. And as I saw, your people are very cooperative regarding this hygiene and sanitation. Information from your village, that's very benefit for us. Because as I see, your village is very clean. This is a good message for us because you are working very hard. Thank you for your efforts that you are clean your nature as well as your places in area.
The delegation also visited Madantyar, village of Beltangdi Taluk. The campus of Sridevi College of Hotel Management was buzzed with food lovers on Saturday, February 9th. Zyka 2008, the annual food festival of the college, was not only about yummy food, it was a complete package of entertainment as it had dance, music and everything to make a weekend memorable one. A food festival is a gourmet's delight, and Zyka 2008, the annual food festival of Sridevi Hotel Management College, proved this true as food lovers from the nook and corners of the city flocked to the college campus to test and taste the lip-smacking delicacies prepared by the master cooks. Students, having studied even the minute details of the art of cooking, gave their best both in preparing the mouth-watering delicious food and in displaying them. The festival featured a delectable spread of cuisines ranging from Indian, Chinese, continental, Thai and Italian, all prepared by the students. An array of mocktails with different hues and flavors were also prepared and served. Besides enjoying the yummy food at Zyka, food lovers listened to some good music and danced the evening away. DJ Nubs entertained the crowd with 15,000 watts of pulsating music. Special spot prizes were also given on the occasion. MLC Captain Ganesh Karnik inaugurated the food festival.
Put your hands up! We got you sexy back. Get up! Bring you sexy back. Children of the sky, I love. Don't take no for an answer, no, no.
Well, that's all we had from our news desk today. Now, before we move on to the entertainment bash, we will take a short break. And on the other side of the break, we will bring you some wonderful songs, so don't miss it.
ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಅಗತ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಸರೆ ಮನೆ. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸಿನ ಹಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹುಡುಕಾಟವೇ? ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನನಸಾಗಿಸುವ ವಸತಿ ಗೃಹಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿವೆ.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನೆ ಬಾಲ್ಯದ ಕನಸಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅಪೂರ್ವದಿಂದ ನನಸಾಗಿದೆ.
ಆಶೀಶ್, ಅಪೂರ್ವ, ಅಭಿನವ್, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್, ಅಮೃತ ಇವುಗಳ ಸಾಲಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇರಿದೆ ಅನನ್ಯ, ಅದ್ವೈತ್,